Before to start the symptoms of high cholesterol, we should need to know about something cholesterol. Cholesterol is a waxy, fat-like substance that is produced by the liver. It is important for the formation of cell membranes, vitamin D, and certain hormones. As cholesterol is a fatty substance, it doesn't dissolve in water, and can't travel through the body by itself. But the cholesterol is transported through the bloodstream with the help of particles known as lipoproteins. There are two types of lipoproteins: low-density lipoproteins, LDL, and high-density lipoproteins, HDL. LDL is known as bad cholesterol, that can build up in the arteries, and lead to serious health problems, like heart attack, and stroke. While HDL is good cholesterol, that helps return the LDL to the liver for elimination. Therefore, if the levels of LDL cholesterol are too high, or the levels of HDL cholesterol are too low, the fat deposits build up in the blood vessels, which make it difficult for blood to flow through the arteries. This could affect the normal body functioning, and lead to serious health problems. Here are some symptoms of high blood cholesterol. Left chest related to the heart, that acts as a blood pumping. Blockage of blood vessels around the heart can cause pain like impaled. The pain may even spread up to the neck. Chest pain can also be a sign of a heart attack. This condition can be a sign that blood cholesterol levels are too high. Neck and shoulders that feel sore are also the implications of disfluencies blood flow in the blood vessels in the area. Blood disfluencies also caused the blockage of blood vessels due to high cholesterol levels. Accumulation of cholesterol can clog the blood vessels of legs and hands. This buildup of cholesterol can occur continuously, and make the hands and feet painful. Swelling, and feeling of numbness in the limbs, is one of the initial symptoms of high cholesterol. This reaction happens because the accumulated lipids prevent good circulation. They do this by reducing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the muscles. In addition, excess cholesterol leads to the development of eyesight problems. If not addressed early, they can cause irreversible damage. It's common for patients to display bulging yellow eyes, irritation, and blurred vision. Bad breath, known as halitosis, is a very common sign in people who have high cholesterol problems. In addition, uncontrolled levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, tend to be a strong trigger for continuous episodes of indigestion and bloating. Hives and other skin conditions may occur when the body has difficulty regulating cholesterol levels. These conditions manifest themselves with red spots, inflammation, and an uncomfortable itching sensation that tends to be difficult to control. The buildup of lipids in the arteries also affects digestion. Therefore, bowel motility decreases, and episodes of constipation occur. Taking into account how dangerous high cholesterol can be, it's essential to consult the doctor and have some tests. Although at first it doesn't seem to affect your health, with the passage of time, it may cause serious changes